Welcome back to another video here on Free Wolf Photos. Today we are going to be working inside of Luminar Neo, editing a picture of this car that you see in front of you. If you'd like to follow along with the edit or give this a shot for yourself, you can download a copy of this image at the link in the description box below. Now, if you want to pick up Luminar Neo and save a little bit of money in the process, they are having a sale right now until August 3rd, 2025. If you use FWP10, you can save extra money when you check out from purchasing the software. Now, that is an affiliate coupon code, which means when you use it, I make a small commission, but it's a win-win because you get to save money and support the channel at the exact same time. I truly appreciate everyone who supports in that way. Now let's go ahead and jump into the edit. So to make this really quick, all I want to do is apply a preset. So I'm going to come over here to presets, and I'm going to apply this New York preset under the urban style collection. Now, I can't remember if this is a default collection that's inside of Luminar Neo, but I know that I have access to it, and if you do, then it's great that you can go ahead and use that. If not, just choose a preset that gives you a look that you really appreciate, because the real power in today's tutorial is not found in the preset itself. I just wanted to give this an overall stylistic look. That's why I'm using a preset. After the preset is applied, I'm going to come over here to edit. And once I'm inside of edit, I'm going to click on tools because I'm looking at the options that were inside of this preset. I'm going to go ahead and click on tools. And the thing that I want to do here is really only one thing that I think will help take this image to the next level. And that's going to be under the creative area. And we're going to click on Magic Light AI. I'm going to go ahead and push the intensity up to about 29. And I have a brush set to 20. I'm just going to paint over these light streaks in the headlights, and you can see what effect that gives to the car. I think this is just a fun little touch that you can apply to images where there's some lights and you just want to make something look just a little bit more dynamic. So if I turn this off and turn it back on, you can see the image goes from being boring to something that's just a tad bit more exciting. Now, where I think this would really shine is if maybe I was able to darken down the background just a little bit more. So let's jump into Essentials. We'll grab a develop tool, and I'm just going to pull down on the exposure here for the background. And now what I want to do is click on masking, and maybe we'll go with a linear gradient. And I'll just go ahead and pull that down right over the top here. And let's see how that looks on the image. So I think that that looks pretty good, but what I'm not entirely certain on, yeah, actually that does look pretty good. Now I need to do it again for the foreground. So we'll add another develop layer. And this time I'm just looking in the foreground, maybe somewhere around there. We'll click on masking, grab a linear gradient, and I'll just click and drag up, and we'll go ahead and push this back. And now I think that maybe that's a bit too strong of a negative exposure, so we'll just pull that back here. And I think that this looks good. So here's what we came into Luminar Neo with, and this is just the raw base photo. And here is what we were able to get using a preset and Magic Light AI, which is a fun tool to play with, especially when you're trying to add some interest to your images. Let me know what your thoughts are about this technique in the comments section below. Again, Luminar Neo is having a sale until August 3rd, 2025. If you want to save some extra money on top of the sale price, consider using my coupon code FWP10 when you check out. Again, I do make a commission from everyone who uses that, but that's at no extra charge to you. And as I said before, it's a win-win. Until next time, I want you to stay inspired and keep creating. Peace.